With concerts in abundance, especially this week during the annual Burlington Discover Jazz Festival, parents have been making a lot of noise about whether the loud music their children listen to at concerts or simply through their earbuds as they listen to music on their smartphones or other devices can be damaging to their ears. Well, my rule of thumb is if the noise around you is so loud that you have to shout to be heard, there's a chance that the hearing mechanism inside your ear could be experiencing injury from the loudness and temporary hearing loss can ensue. Initially, with brief loud noises, hearing will return to normal, but over time, you can lose your hearing permanently if constantly exposed to loud noise or music, a condition referred to as noise-induced hearing loss. How can you tell if you or your child are experiencing hearing loss? Acutely, you may hear ringing in your ears or a feeling of fullness muffling sounds, such that the speech you're hearing seems not clear or mumbled, and you only hear parts of conversations when people talk. You may find your child or teen asking people to repeat what they said, or your kids are being told by their friends that they don't hear well. The best solution for this problem is prevention, so that the hearing loss does not become permanent. For example, teach your children to turn down the volume on their smart devices, especially if they're wearing earphones or earbuds. Be aware that earbuds have tighter seals than headphones, so sound transfer may be more efficient and increase the risk of hearing loss if more than 80 decibels, decibels being how we measure sound, are blasted through the earbud, especially if this level of sound persists for more than 60 minutes a day. A rock concert or even noise through headphones played at 110 decibels can damage a youngster's ears in just 30 minutes. Encourage your kids to wear earplugs to a concert, especially if they're going to be near big speakers. They'll still be able to hear the music, but with less injury to the ear. If you suspect your child or teen may be experiencing noise-induced hearing loss, talk to your child's healthcare professional to make sure it's not an infection or clogged ear from earwax, which can be easily treated. Your child's healthcare professional can also test your child's hearing to see if the damage is permanent and if a referral to a hearing specialist for further treatment like hearing aids is warranted, which would be unfortunate given how preventable noise-induced hearing loss can be. Hopefully, you'll listen well to tips like these when it comes to protecting your child's ears as well as your own from the dangers of overexposure to loud music and your ability to hear. This is pediatrician Dr. Lewis First from the University of Vermont Children's Hospital reminding you to always be first with your kids.